Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about articles. So, what are the contents that we are going to see? Introduction to articles, types of articles, and examples. First is introduction. What are articles? Articles are nothing but these three words, that is, a, an, and the. So, I have given few sentences here with articles. We'll see what are the sentences. The flower is red. I have used the as the article here. Next sentence, this is a flower. A is said to be as the article. And the third sentence is, this is an orange. An is said to be as one of the article. See children, I have used these articles before the nouns. In these two sentences, flower is said to be as the noun and the a is used here. And here in this sentence, orange is said to be as the noun and I have used the article an here. We'll see in detail how and when to use these articles. Fine? So, what is the definition or the introduction to articles? A, an and the are said to be the special words used before nouns and they are called as articles. Articles are of two types. They are definite article and indefinite articles. We'll see in detail these two types. First is indefinite article. What are they? A and an are said to be as indefinite articles. A and an are called as indefinite articles. It is used before a noun, that is in general. It may refer to any person, place or animal or thing in general. It points out to singular countable nouns. And also I've given two important tips to use the indefinite article a and an. An is used in a sentence before a word that begins with a vowel sound. We all know what are vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. So, an is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. And the article a is used before a word that begins with a consonant. And you all know what is a consonant, right children? So, these are the two tips. Please do remember. Example, there is an umbrella. So, here we have used an article. Why? Because umbrella U starts with the vowel sound, right? So, an should be used here. That is a stall. In this sentence, word begins with consonant. Yes. So, we have used a as the indefinite article. Next, we'll see what is definite article. The is said to be as definite article. It is used before a noun in specific. It refers to a particular person, animal or thing. Example, the dog is brown in color. We have used the definite article the in front of the noun because that is specific. In this slide, we will see how the a, an and the are used. I have made a difference for all these three articles. So, first is a is used in front of a singular countable nouns which are not specific. An is also used in front of singular countable nouns which are also not specific, whereas we use the in front of all nouns irrespective of the nouns that are singular or plural, countable or uncountable. But it is used to describe something that is specific or unique. We do not use a before uncountable or plural nouns. And we do not use an before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound, a comes before the noun. If the noun starts with the vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U, and comes before the noun. See the examples, children. For a cat, a dog, a doctor, a boy, a table. These are the examples for the article a. And for the indefinite article an, that is an is used if the vowel sound A, E, I, O, U starts for the word. An apple, an orange, an old man. These are all the examples. And for the earth, the world, I told you that it will be describing something unique or specific. So it says the CEO, the moon. These are all unique, right? So this is how a, an and the are used in the sentences. Now we are going to see the examples and identify the types of articles used in the sentences. First sentence, let's go to the beach. So what type of article is used here? Correct, it is definite article. The second sentence, I need a phone. A is said to be as the indefinite article because a is used before singular countable nouns. So phone is the singular one, hence a is used. The sky is so beautiful today. Here what kind of an article is used? Definite article. And the fourth sentence, she is a singer. Here, a is said to be as indefinite article. The movie is based on real life incident. Here, the definite article is used because we speak about the particular movie here. That is why the is used in this sentence. So children, hope you all understood what is articles and what are the types of articles and how to use the definite and indefinite articles when you have a sentence. Thank you so much for listening, children. Stay safe.